Hi everyone, this is a quick introduction to using the learning tools in Microsoft Word. This is part of Office 365, so you do need an Office 365 subscription in order to be able to use that. If you're a student watching this or a teacher watching this from William Carey Christian School, then we do have Office 365 accounts, and so you will be able to use this feature. First of all, what I've done here is I've got just a blank document and I've gone and found this story. It's a story from it's the story of the foolish crow, and I've copied and pasted the text into Microsoft Word, so I've got the story here. Now if you're sharing this with a class, you could use Google Classroom to share the Word document out to all of your students, or you could save it to X Drive, or if the kids are just finding stories off the internet, then they would be able to copy and paste the text into Microsoft Word in order to be able to use the learning tools. Okay, so to use the learning tools, first of all we switch under our View tab, so you can see across the top we've got all the different tabs available to us in Microsoft Word. If we switch to the View tab, then what we can do is change our mode from our print layout to the reading mode. So we switch that first of all, and so what this has done is put it into a method that's easier to read, and so the learning tools are then available here under the View menu within the reading view. Okay, so the first thing you can do, if you've got a student who struggles with the white background and the black text, you can change the page color in here, and so you can switch it to sepia, and that will make it easier for some students to be able to view the text and to be able to read the document using a device. The second thing here, if you're with young readers and you want to actually break the text into its syllables, once again under the View menu, you can see we can add the syllables option, which is actually going to break the text up, and it's showing us now the syllables that the words are made up in. Okay, once again, so that's under the View menu in reading mode and then choosing syllables. This text is also at the moment normally spaced, so you can use another learning tool here which will increase the spacing between the words. So at the moment I've still got the syllables turned on, but I've also got the spacing tools turned on. And then the final learning tool, which I want to show you here quickly, is the Read Aloud tool. So what this will do is it will take your document,
The foolish
and it will
crow.
read it aloud. And
The
so
winter
you can
had
see
been
there,
especially cold.
I'll turn my computer down a little bit. So you can see there that it's reading the document for us, and as it reads, it's highlighting the text within the document for us as well. So hopefully those tools can help you and your students as they're reading documentation using a computer. I will just pause the reading there. One of the other things that are available within the Read Aloud feature, so you can see when I've got Read Aloud turned on, I've got this little box at the top, so I can play the reading, I can reread something, so just like you can replay a audio file, you can replay the reading, you can jump forwards in the document, and if you prefer to slow the text down or speed the text up, you can increase or decrease the reading speed, and you can even switch. So if you've got multiple voices available to you, you can switch who actually reads, so you can switch between the readers for your document as well. Hopefully that will help you with the reading tools, and that's a little short introduction to them.